Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from your friendly teacher Sergio. Let me talk about technology in education nowadays. The use of apps in my environmental learning and teaching. Let me start with the internet, information searching. It is common that we as students run in search of information, but do we know the correct dominions to do it? If your answer is yes, let's see it. The dominions. We just go out and find in Google some of those dominions, like .com, which is commercial, .net, which is network, biz for business, info, information, names, government, and education. The last two are related with other domains, extra domains. For example, in our country, we use NX, which is Mexico. Okay? Now, let's just go for this next one, which is my social medias. My social medias that I've been using since I was in high school, it's first Messenger, because Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, they started when I was in university. But I've been using it because my teachers and some of my students as teacher use it for communication and to share some knowledge or information for homework or something like that that is related with education. The next one, it's the video conferences tools. For example, I've been using now Microsoft Teams, which is the platform for video conferences that my university gave me to take my classes online because of this quarantine of the pandemic. We have to take it at home. So Microsoft Teams is a new tool for me and as well for my students because I started to use it with them. But the last one was Zoom app. It's the same. It's a video conferencing tool that you can use it for give the class or share some knowledge from home to be safe, because you have to remember that we are living nowadays a pandemic, so we can stay safe. Okay, so my platforms to monitoring and play games as student, it's Kahoot. I use it because of the games. My students love it, and also I love it because it's very, very useful, and they gave a lot of fun and entertainment. Google Drive, I use it because share some books or some audios that they're very, very heavy to share in WhatsApp or another social media, which is limited the quantities of those audios and videos. And Google Classroom is when they gave me the homework, also Moodle or Edmodo, I can give them homework, and they have a limited date to to give the homework back to me. That's just been checked and give them some kind of how can I say, they besides the grade, I can give feedback, what part they are good and what part they just fail. And my video channel and creator, it's obviously in YouTube. It's Checo Promix. Just share because besides being a teacher, I'm a professional DJ. And to edit my videos, before I use this one that my new professor gave me, it was Power Director. And to be honest, it's I think it's better than the Power Director that I use. So I will start to share this and to use it as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and remember to thumb up and share this video. Thank you.